Engineering survey. During chaining along a straight line, the leader of the party has four arrows in his hand while the follower has six. Distance of the follower from the starting point is six chains. A metallic tap is made of cloth and wires. For a well conditioned triangle, no angle should be less than 30 degree. The angle of intersection of the two plane mirrors of an optical square is 45 degree. The allowable length of an offset depends upon the all of the above. Degree of accuracy required, method of setting out the perpendicular and nature of ground. Which of the following angles can be set out with the help of French cross staff? Either 40 degree, 45 degree or 90 degree. Which of the following methods of offsets involves less measurement on the ground? Method of perpendicular offsets. The permissible error in chaining for measurement with chain on rough or hilly ground is 1 in 250. The correction of for sag is always subtractive. Cross staff is an instrument used for setting out right angles. Normal tension is that pull which neutralizes the effect due to pull and sag. Which of the following is not used in measuring perpendicular offsets? Line ranger. If the length of a chain is found to be short on testing, it can be adjusted by straightening the links. The maximum tolerance in a 20 m chain is plus or minus 5 mm. For accurate work, the steel band should always be used in preference to chain because the steel band, the practically inextensible and is not liable to kinks when in use. The length of a chain is measured from outside of one handle to outside of other handle. Select the incorrect statement. Option A. The two medians at different places are parallel to each other. If the true bearing of a line AB is 269 degree 30, then the azimuth of the line AB is 90 degree 30. In the prismatic compass, the magnetic needle and graduated circle do not move with the box. For a line AB, the forebearing of AB and back bearing of AB differ by 180 degree. Local attraction in compass serving may exist due to option D. Presence of magnetic substances near the instrument. In the quarantile bearing system, a whole circle bearing of 290 degree 30 can be expressed as N 66 degree 30 volt. The prismatic compass and surveyor compass Option A. Give whole circle bearing of a line and quarantile bearing of a line respectively. The horizontal angle between the true meridian and magnetic meridian at a place is called declination. A negative declination shows that the magnetic meridian is to the option B, western side of the true meridian. If the magnetic bearing of the sun at a place at noon in southern hemisphere is 167 degree, the magnetic declination at that place is 13 degree E. The graduations in prismatic compass option A 1 and 3 are inverted, run clockwise having 0 degree at south. Agate cap is fitted with a prismatic compass. The temporary adjustments of a prismatic compass are option B, leveling, focusing the prism. Theodical is an instrument used for measurements of both horizontal and vertical angles. The process of turning the telescope about the vertical axis in a horizontal plane is known as swinging. Size of the theodolite is specified by option C, the diameter of lower plate. Which of the following is not the function of leveling head? None of the above. If the lower clamp screw is tightened and upper clamp screw is loosed, the theodolite may be rotated. Answer is C, on its inner spindle with a relative motion between the vernier and the graduated scale of lower. A telescope is said to be inverted if it is option A, vertical circle is to its right and the bubble of the telescope is down. The crosshairs in the surviving telescope are placed much closer to the eyepiece than to the objective lens. For which of the following permanent adjustments of theodolite the spare test is used? Adjustment of horizontal axis. The adjustment of horizontal crosshair is required particularly when the instrument is used for leveling. Which of the following errors is not eliminated by the method of repetition of horizontal angle measurement? Option B, error due to displacement of station signals. The error due to eccentricity of inner and outer axis can be eliminated by reading both verniers and taking the mean of the two. In the double application of principle of reversal, the apparent error is 4 times the true error. Which of the following errors can be eliminated by taking mean of both phase observations? Option D, error due to line of collimation not being perpendicular to horizontal axis. Which of the following errors cannot be eliminated by taking both phase observations? Option D, none of the above. If a tripod settles in the interval that elapses between taking a back-sight reading and the following foresight reading, then the elevation of turning point will increases. If altitude bubble is provided both on intact frame as well as on telescope of a theodolite, then the instrument is leveled with reference to option B, both I1 and 4. Altitude bubble on index frame and altitude bubble on telescope. If it is to be used as a level, the correct level. A level line is a line parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of Earth. The following sights are taken on a turning point: foresight and backsight. The rise and fall method of leveling provides a completed check on all of the above: backsight, intermediate sight, foresight. If the RL of BM is 100 m, the backsight is 1.215 m and the foresight is 1.870 m. The RL of the forward station is 90. Answer is 99.345 m. In an internal focusing type of telescope, the lens provided is concave.